John of WPDevoted.com. Today we're back on our Kern County Ads test website, and where I'm covering WordPress basics, how to set up a WordPress website, moderate it, and we've covered quite a bit of stuff. We were left off talking about customizing, and we went through the different options that you have under this customized menu, and we covered everything. We were going to start talking about widgets, and what a widget is basically little blocks that you can add different stuff. So like these recent posts, and where it's showing these recent comments, these are like little widgets that are added here to the sidebar. And how you go about building widgets and adding widgets, and some themes have widgets pre-installed that allow you to add into your website. We come here to the dashboard, to the admin, and we come down here under appearance, and under appearance it's widgets. You click that, and now these are the available widgets. These are the ones that we currently have installed on our site, is here on the right, and these are the ones that are available for us to add. So let's say, for instance, we wanted to remove the archives widget, which is showing up here on our front page. This one. Let's say we didn't want to show that. We can click on it like that to expand it, and click delete. And now if we refresh this, you'll notice this will disappear. And there it goes. So that's how you add and remove different widgets. So let's just say we wanted to set up an image on our website. And let's say right here underneath the search bar, which is also a widget, let's say in between there we wanted to add a picture of this dog and this girl. Then we can come down here to the image widget, which it tells you what it does. It displays an image. We can take this and drag it over here. Or actually, we click it, and we'll select sidebar, and we'll click add widget, and then we'll click image. We'll select our image and hit save, and we can give it a title. So we'll just say dog and girl, if we wanted to give it a title. We can also add a link, so if somebody clicks on it, it takes them somewhere. We'll just have it take them to our website. Or we can just leave it blank, and they won't be able to, it won't take them nowhere. But just to show you, we'll have it, actually we'll just have it take them to our contact us page. Or about us page. We'll click save, and now since we wanted to put it in between our search and recent posts, we're going to go ahead and grab it and drag it up here and release it, and now it's in between there. And now when we update our site, we should see this image in between here. So let's do that. And there it is, dog and girl, our title. And when we click it, it just takes us back to our About Us page. So that's how you pretty much set up a widget. And like I said, every theme has different widgets, so you'd have to go through here and see. But let's say this one's here for custom HTML. You'll be using that one a lot. And categories. If you have different categories, you can display them over here, which is already here. And pretty much you can, that's what widgets do. They're just little blocks that you can customize and add to your website in different locations, whether it be at the footer, which is again at the bottom of your page, down in here. You can add widgets. You can add different pages. You can add RSS, which we'll cover later. That's like feeds, news feeds. Really simple syndication, I believe it is. I could be wrong. It's been a while since I've used RSS. A lot of news sites and stuff, it's where they publish their post, and then they allow you to use their RSS feed, and automatically every time they post, you can display that feed on your website, so your website will also have their post. I'll cover all that later on. Right now, it's not very important. Right now, we're just getting the basics out of the way. So, basically, that's what widgets are. If you wanted to just have like some basic text, we can add this widget to the sidebar. Let's just say we wanted to, add a little bit of text. Let's just say free shipping. Let's just say if we were offering free shipping, we can say we offer free shipping in the USA only, and we can add that to our sidebar in our widget section. And there's a lot of different things you can do with widgets depending on what your theme is and what it does. But just to give you the basics, that's what this is, and see it added it here, free shipping. We offer free shipping to the US only, and we can also put an image in there and spiced it up and did all that stuff. But currently we're just using a simple text widget to display that. And when you click customize, it also has a widget section, which allows you to basically control widgets that you already have installed on your page. So for instance, we can come to sidebar, and here we see search. We can move search down, and you can see the effects here. So that's what the widget section does in here. And we can also delete widgets from here, and we can also change it here. Like we can remove it, and there it goes. And let's say we wanted to remove recent comments. We don't want to display comments, and there it goes. So that's what widgets are, and that's how they're used. We're going to be discussing plugins in the next video. So thank you.